Hello everyone, in this lecture we will study the chemical reaction and equations. So, first of all, what is chemical reactions? Chemical reaction is a process by which two or more substances react with each other to form new substance which has different properties. Okay, so different both physical and chemical properties differ than the reactants. The product which is formed have the different properties than the reactants. Now, these are the following changes to determine that the chemical reaction has taken place. So now we will discuss some changes with the help of which we can understand or with the help of which we can know whether a chemical reaction has taken place or not. First is change in state. Change in state of which we know is that solid, liquid and gas. Okay, after if in a reaction there is a change of state, if there is a change of state like solid, liquid and gas, we can understand it is a chemical reaction. Next is change in color. Change in color means if it is transparent, it can be yellow or it can be white or green. Okay. Next is evolution of gas, means a gas can be formed like hydrogen or CO2 or different type of gases can be evolved. Next is change in temperature, whether it can be cold or it can become hot after a reaction. Next is formation of precipitate. So precipitate is something which deposits on the base of the solution which is not soluble in water. Okay, so after a reaction, if something get deposited on the base of the solution, you can understand it is precipitate and a chemical reaction has taken place. Next is chemical equation. So a chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbols and formula. For example, we can take magnesium plus oxygen. Okay, this is not magnesium, it is magnesium plus oxygen. It will give us magnesium oxide. So the substance which take part in the chemical reaction are called reactants. So basically this both magnesium and oxygen are the reactants, and the new produced as a result of chemical reaction are called products. So this is the product. Products formed have properties which are entirely different from those of the reactants. So we already discussed the properties of magnesium oxide will definitely differ from those of magnesium and oxygen. Next is when a magnesium ribbon is heated, it burns in air with dazzling white flames to form magnesium plus oxygen in the presence of heat to form magnesium oxide powder. Mg and O are the reactants. This I already told you. This magnesium and oxygen are this is magnesium and this is oxygen. They are the reactants, and MgO, which is magnesium oxide, is the product with a white colored powder. This is of white color. It will formed after the reaction. Next, Mg ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with a sandpaper. This is done to remove the protective layer of magnesium oxide from the surface of magnesium ribbon. Okay, so when magnesium ribbon is kept outside, it gets react with oxygen and forms a layer of oxidized or oxide over it. So before the reaction, we should rub it with sandpaper to get a proper result. It will remove the oxide layer over it. Okay, and the reaction will take very smoothly. Next, we will see chemical reactions in daily life. We will see some examples of chemical reactions in our daily life. Some of them are souring of milk, cooking of food, digestion of food, respiration, rusting of iron, burning of fuels, and ripening of fruits. These all are the chemical changes involved in chemical reaction. So I hope so you understand these topics which we have discussed: chemical reaction in daily life, chemical equations and chemical reactions. So I hope so you understand. See you in the next lecture with some more important topics. Until then, take care and thank you.